Starbucks is going to close some stores citing safety concerns. Imagine that, Will. Danger at the Starbucks stores.
Oh, what kind of safety concerns?
Well, some of these neighborhoods gone downhill, I guess. Post-COVID, I don't know. Inflation, recession, I don't know what's going, but after careful consideration, we are closing some stores in locations that have experienced a high volume of challenging incidents that make it unsafe to continue to operate.
Oh.
What does that sound like to you? To me, it sounded like violence, theft, robbery happen in the store, in front of the store, and you have employees that don't want to show up. They're like, hey, man, that's the way it sounds to me. The stores are in Seattle, Los Angeles, Philadelphia, and Washington, D.C., and Portland, Oregon. Well, I think the majority of them are in Los Angeles. Employees are seeing firsthand the challenges facing our communities. Well, yeah, except you're bouncing as well. So what happens to those? You know how they would say once a Starbucks goes into a community, it gets gentrified? Well, what happens when the Starbucks is like, nope, we're out. We're out.
Does the opposite.
Boarded up. It's a
Just
pretty
chaos.
Well, it was a pretty ugly scene when you got the boarded up Starbucks sign. You're like, yeah, Starbucks couldn't put up with it anymore. Maybe a lot of people try to get out. It just goes downhill from there. But I guess they get a lot of incident reports and they start to look at their employees and the well-being and so forth. And by the sounds of it, that's how they make decisions like this. But I thought it was a bit of a strange reason. Normally, they close a store, they go, it's underperforming. It's just we're not doing the right enough business over there. Over here, though, they're saying, no, actually, this is just dangerous
safety
situations. You don't hear that very often.